This is a Hero Hair custom cosplay wig portfolio spotlight and the world premiere of our newest client build, the Clownette of Chaos. A 4-month production and constructed to match Margot's original wig worn in the film. Yes, she wore at least 2. This faithful reproduction custom wig is built on a handmade professional-grade movie foundation, complete with our exclusive invisible HD high-definition forehead film lace, the very same lace we use in the motion picture and television industry. The selected mixtures of these hand-dyed lots of our exclusive organic protein synthetics, HD synthetic fibers, and human hair were blended with low lights to highlights and slight temperature variations as the Hero Hair team matched the platinum yellow blonde, bubblegum pink, and ultra pop aquamarine blue, all signature to this now iconic character, to bring her successfully to screen-accurate life.